What's up, everybody? This is EJ. All my travelers out there, what's up? How many of y'all been to Vegas? Yes, Viva Las Vegas. Woo woo. The entertainment capital of the world. 3 miles of fun, fun, fun. That could put you in the debt. But it's such an amazing time. When I hear people say that they do not have fun in Vegas, I'd be like, well, what did you do wrong? Or who did you go with? Because I've never had a bad time in Vegas, and neither should you. So this video right now, it won't highlight what to do in Vegas. But for everybody who's been to Vegas and planning on going back to Vegas, and for the ones who have not been to Vegas, listen up. The Strip is changing rapidly. What you have seen in the videos, what you've seen in movies, and what you even have on your own phone won't be the same going into 2025. Now, with construction and stuff, yes, I'm being a little, optimistic. We know it's going to take time with construction, but 2027, the Strip should look like what I'm describing today. Now, what's happening? Why is it changing? Well, it's already changed. There's this thing called the Sphere, and it is beautiful. The Sphere has already changed the look of Vegas, even in your own neighborhoods. Yes, while you could see the Strip-ish, the Sphere is phenomenal from your backyard. All right, wow. Now, some of these famous hotels, get in before it's gone, just to say that you have been there and seen it. The Mirage, the famous volcano, where the volcano is no longer volcanoing. So the Mirage has been sold and is becoming a new hotel. Demolition has already started. So the volcano is already being taken down as we speak. Last week when I was there, the top half was already demolished. The Wrecking Ball is standing by. Mirage is about to be Mirageless. Yes, it is becoming a new hotel. How much of the building they're planning on destroying and how much are they planning on keeping to make part of the new hotel renovations is unclear. But when you go to Vegas, know that it is behind a steel cage. And yes, Mirage will not be there much longer. Now, on the opposite end of the Strip, now, I didn't even know this was possible because it's one of the OGs. It was one of the original 3 hotels on the new Strip. But it's being demolished. And what is it being demolished for? A baseball stadium. Whatever happened to the historical site people? I thought you said this was a historical landmark and we can't knock this down. But at any rate, I guess money talks and historical people gotta walk. And just one more month, Tropicana is going to stop being in service. Your last chance to stay at the Tropicana, to check the shows at the Tropicana or whatever you want, because the pool is beautiful, to even check out the pool at the Tropicana, is going to be April 19th. That is allegedly the last day that it will be in business before the demolition process begins. I'm just shook at that they have decided to knock down one of the OGs when just behind the hotel, there's plenty of things that could probably be knocked down if you pay the right price to the owners. But this is the decision that they decided to make. So once again, about 2020, it's going to be like a 3-year project. So in less than 3 years, the building will no longer be there. But in 3 years, you will see the completed baseball stadium where it is alleged that Oakland will be joining them. They already took the Oakland Raiders and became Las Vegas. And so here we go. They're about to get the baseball team also. You talking about money. Vegas is making money. I ain't mad at them, but I am mad that the Tropicana is getting knocked down. All right. Now, everybody, I don't know how much y'all pay attention to the Strip, but that middle piece between Planet Hollywood and the MGM, we all seen that ghetto-ass Travelodge and wondering how the hell did you get on this Strip and why are you not gone yet? But people, wait no longer. The Travelodge has been demolished. That entire block is under renovation for this thing that they are calling the level up. Fine dining, shopping, and entertainment. When I tell you that this building is going to be building, I cannot wait to see this completed project. The Strip is getting a facelift and it is going to take it up a notch. Now, already completed projects, if you haven't been, the new Hotel Fontainebleau is up and running. And when I tell you it is gorgeous inside, it is gorgeous. So definitely when you get to Vegas, make sure you're checking out the Fontainebleau. The Sphere is up and running. You can go inside and check out the advanced technology. They have live artificial intelligent robots. Oh, it's a gem. Now, it is a little packed, so maybe you want to pick an off time that you don't think a lot of people will be there, so you can get to enjoy more of the inside. YouTube is wrapping up their residency there, so I don't think you're going to get too many more opportunities to see them. But don't worry, as we are advancing in the year, more artists have been booked to be a performer there. So multiple opportunities to see the Sphere. This was just a quick rundown of how Vegas is changing. Oh, by the way, marijuana smokers, it is now illegal to openly smoke it on the Strip. Yes, I know, for about 2-3 years now, you can openly walk down the Strip and smoke your marijuana. Well, baby, not no more. While it's not illegal to smoke it in the state of Nevada, it is illegal to smoke it openly on the Strip. So please remember that, all right? As I said, Vegas is changing, and I can't wait to see these final projects. Thank you for checking out this quick video about Vegas is changing, and thank you for joining your boy, EJ. This has been Justaboiandhiscamera unedited. Like, subscribe, comment, interact with me. What do you think about these changes, people?